We're at the Loop Riding Trail Park here in Missouri. We got Greg Hayes' Maverick X3 RR, set of 35-inch Zillas. Good friend Dustin Tapp over there with his Pro R. Got the old Wild White Buffalo over there on a set of 35s. The Defender Limited, and then Todd's supercharged KRX. Just finally getting this build all done up. Got it on a set of 35s. She's ready to ride today. Gonna go see what we can find out here on the trail and see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. Liam got the pipe put back on the Buffalo, so now it's obnoxiously loud, but hopefully get to see some sends today and see what kind of stuff we break. So it's gonna be a little hard to hear me because I got the heat blowing. It's a crisp like 40 degrees. I'm gonna be the chase vehicle for all the rides today, so we'll see how it goes. Show off. I about died going off that. Dude, it just smacked so hard. Yeah. Not even a struggle. You're good. Are you in low? Yep, just. So we're at the Loop 2. A lot more people here, a lot more cars. It's supposed to be a much bigger riding area. But we win the parking lot wars. But that's just because the 900's there for show. But everything's performing very well. Nothing's broke, knock on wood. I'm gonna take the sway bars off the Defender so that it rides, has a little more suspension travel. It's doing well, but yeah, we're lined up for a good day. Just dragging the trailer. Probably knocked out all of our wiring. Is the water crossings with the pickup the coolest thing we've done so far today? No. Yeah. So just come straight. Yep. Left. Keep coming. Yep, keep coming. Brake, brake, slow. All right, hold up. You're gonna go way right, right. All right, brake, a little bit left. Straight down, straight. Yep, you're good. Perfect. I don't know. We'll go see what Liam's getting into. Where would he go with that? How? I lost 2 hubcaps. Man down. Bump it pretty. I'd bump it pretty hard. Right there. Give it the onions. So I'm gonna try to include a build part of the video. So this is Greg Hayes's 23 Maverick X3, 15x7 Sedona Sanos, 35-inch Zillas, CT Racework, lower A-arms, excuse me, rigid light, S3 cage, nothing inside, maybe a tablet holder, no bed. I think he is gonna get Milwaukee packouts for it. I think this is a Oh, it's a Joy Designs muffler. Really nice muffler, and it makes good noise, but not too much noise. But yeah, it's a unit. It's been everywhere. Oh yeah, I think it's got the CT Racework tie rods with the ends. But sway bar is disconnected up front. Overall, great car. He's taken it a lot of places and knows really how to wheel it, because this car can go about anywhere. But yeah, that's Greg's 23 Maverick X3 build that we see on this trip.